Hi, I'm Tom Lydon here in Hollywood, Florida at Inside ETFs. I'm here with Tom Staudt, Chief Operating Officer of ARK Invest. Great seeing you, Tom.
Great to see you too, Tom.
Well, another great conference. Tell us a little bit about ARK, because you folks tackle the ETF space a little differently.
We do. We focus solely on disruptive innovation, and it certainly has been an exciting period of time to have that technologically enabled focus for the funds. But we feel really gratified, especially at a conference like this, to see so many good ideas coming out, yet really feel like we're offering something differentiated, something that investors are excited about, and have difficult gaining in the traditional sector focus or market cap focused approach. I think disruptive innovation has really started to capture the hearts and minds of not only people, but also investors.
Walk through some of the themes that you folks represent.
Absolutely. So we focus primarily on 5 major, what we call innovation platforms. So we have DNA sequencing, and I think we've seen the movement in the genomic and biotech space. We have automation and robotics, and again, another platform that's really starting to get a lot of attention, both in the media and for investors. We partner that with energy storage. Certainly autonomous vehicles have started to really permeate. And then we're focused on what we call the next generation internet, artificial intelligence, which we include big data, blockchain, et cetera. So really what that is, if you had to summarize, is it's the disruptors, the technology that's seeping into every sector of the economy and really changing the traditional economic landscape.
And you just came out with a new theme. Talk about that.
We did. So we're very proud of our newest fund, ARKF, the ARK FinTech Innovation ETF. This is a strategy that we've been running as a firm in other markets for a number of years. But what we see is a lot of disruption in the financial services sector. Maybe one of the sectors that's had some of the slowest penetration of truly consumer-facing technology. And so as the traditional financial services and the traditional technology sectors start to blend and merge, most investors don't have exposure to that because of the traditional big players on both sides.
Right.
But outside of the US, this is happening rapidly. Good. And so we want investors to gain exposure to that.
Excellent. If an advisor or investor want to get a little bit of everything, talk about that one ETF that gives you the smorgasbord of all your themes.
ARKK, Tom, okay. I know that we've had a number of opportunities to talk about that, and it really is kind of our flagship approach. It takes the themes from all of the different innovation platforms we cover. It's about $1.5 billion right now in AUM, and what we really think is that it's an overall package for easy exposure, because ultimately that fund represents the fact that we believe the biggest inefficiencies in any market right now is innovation in the public equity market, and that's a one-stop shop for that exposure.
Great. High commitment to each of the portfolios, active and transparent, which is rare in the industry as well. So again, great work. I know you guys are having a lot of success. Thanks for coming by, Tom.
Thanks, Tom. I always appreciate talking to you.
Thank you.